Hello everyone and welcome to another segment of FF Insider. We're thrilled to share this unique episode with you all. As we look forward to 2022, we're going to go ahead and review the events that we all experienced in 2021. FF has had a big year, so without further ado, let's get to it. We started off the year by announcing our proposed merger with Property Solutions Acquisition Corp. The highly anticipated merger provided $1 billion in proceeds for the manufacturing of the ultimate intelligent tech luxury FF91. In February, we took FF91 to Baudette, Minnesota for a second round of winter testing, where the all-electric vehicle exceeded expectations in the harsh environment and cold winter conditions. In April, we announced partnerships with Velodyne for their LiDAR system and NVIDIA for their self-driving chip. These technologies lay the groundwork for autonomous driving features in the continuing evolution of the FF91. Soon after, we kicked off the FF Futurist experience in New York City. Thousands of visitors came out to learn more about Faraday Future and test ride our flagship vehicle. To further connect with our fans, we launched the FF Intelligent app, a co-creation space where you can learn more about FF and interact with staff, as well as the growing EV community. The user-focused app also provides access to our FPO program, where you can co-create with us in exchange for merchandise, unique experiences, and more. In July, Faraday Future was listed on NASDAQ with the ticker symbol FFIE. This key milestone was accompanied by the announcement that Faraday Future Intelligent Electric had sold out of all 300 of our FF91 Alliance Edition reservations. Instead of simply returning our FF91 from New York to its home in Los Angeles, we seized the opportunity to further validate our flagship offering with a cross-country road trip along the historic Route 66. With global CEO Carson Breitfeld along for the ride, our team drove our tech luxury EV from Chicago to Santa Monica, soaking in the sights and automotive history along the way. With our merger completed and funding secured, we turned our attention to constructing our manufacturing facility in Hanford, California. This million-square-foot factory will begin production of the ultimate intelligent tech luxury FF91 in summer of 2022. We took a moment to celebrate our achievements and give back to our community in September with our 919 Futurist Day. This special event included a toy drive hosted with Purist Group, in which thousands of donations were collected for distribution to struggling Southern California communities. In October, we hosted EV industry veterans Monroe and Associates to help in the co-creation of FF91. During their time here, they provided valuable feedback to help streamline part of the FF91 production process. With growing interest in our community about the completion of our Hanford facility, we unveiled our key milestones and timeline leading up to the start of production. And as progress was made at our Hanford manufacturing facility, we started to reach out and connect with the community. In November, we hosted a job fair where citizens could come chat with our recruiters in person and apply for our open positions. We also announced the completion of our second manufacturing milestone, as well as receiving our certificate of occupancy, a key requirement for the progress of our pre-production fleet needed for final testing and validation. Soon after, in December, we hit our third manufacturing milestone by kicking off construction of all remaining production areas at the Hanford manufacturing facility. And this holiday season, we teamed up yet again with the automotive enthusiasts of Purist Group to give back once more to our local communities. A truly unforgettable event, the 9th annual Winter Drive presented by Faraday Future received thousands of toy donations that will be distributed across California this holiday season. It was a big year for all of us here at FF, and we're looking forward to what 2022 has in store for us all. Thank you all so much for watching this segment of FF Insider. If you haven't already, make sure you download the FF Intelligent app, available on iOS and Android. There you can learn more about our community and even reserve your own FF91 Futurist. We all hope you have a wonderful and safe holiday season, and we'll catch you on the next segment of FF Insider.